10 Quotes About Leadership and Liberty by Sukarno. First, reach your ambition as high as the skies. Dream it as high as the skies. Because if you fall, you're going to fall among the stars. BPUPKI Congress, April 29, 1945. Second, independence can only be obtained and secured by a nation that has its spirit raging with determination. Independence or death. Speech to the Investigation Agency for Preparation of Indonesian Independence, June 1, 1945. Third, learning without thinking is useless, but thinking without learning is very dangerous. Speech of Independence Day, August 17, 1961. Fourth, do good to another man. Even when they do not do you good, another will certainly do good. If there is still shame and fear in one's heart to do good, there will certainly be no progress at all. Speech of Independence Day, August 17. Fifth, we liberate our nation's heart inside of Indonesian independence. Ibn Saud liberated Arabians' heart inside of Saudi Arabian independence one by one. Stalin liberated Soviet Russians' heart inside of Soviet one by one. Speech to the Investigation Agency for Preparation of Indonesian Independence, June 1, 1945. Sixth, don't ever forget the history. It will make and change who we are. Speech of Independence Day, August 17, 1961. Seventh, it was the concept of nationalism that Indonesia was established on. Not the Javanese, not the Sumatran, not the Bornean, Sulawesi, Bali or others, but the Indonesian. That together became the foundation of one nationalstaat, nation-state. Speech to the Investigation Agency for Preparation of Indonesian Independence, June 1, 1945. Eighth, this country, the Republic of Indonesia, does not belong to any group, nor to any religion, nor to any ethnic group, nor to any group with customs and traditions, but the property of all of us from Sabang to Merauke. Speech in Surabaya, September 24, 1955. Ninth, 1,000-old man can only dream, but a young man is able to change the world. From Indonesia Menggugat, Indonesians accuse. Rose never propagandize its fragrant, but its own fragrance spreads through its surrounding. Sukarno, proclaimer of the Republic of Indonesia.